It's a boy and Nazi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be dealing with the DXY. It is very important for us to deal with the DXY first in order for us to understand the US dollar pairs that we are going to be trading accordingly during this week. So what I did here, as you guys can see in the charts, is that I've marked my most important zones. I've marked my low of the week, which gave us this double bottom over here, and top of the week, which gave us this top on top that has never been rated before by other tops, So my middle of the week I marked, and I marked my double top of the week over here. As you guys can see, this double top of the week, it is that one that I marked over there. So guys, currently the DXY, in my view, is that the DXY, the way I'm seeing it, the DXY is moving sideways. What do I mean by the DXY moving sideways? It means that the DXY is in a consolidation phase. You have to understand that the DXY has entered in a consolidation phase. Until the DXY decides to break above or below, to break above, do this, retest, up, that's when I know that change of directions, it's a change of character. The DXY decided to break the consolidation phase. That's how I know that the consolidation phase is over. Or if the DXY decides to come and break support, turn support into resistance, that's how I know we are over with the consolidation phase. Both ways, guys, it goes both ways, So right now, currently, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going into my line chart mode in order to identify potential zones again, like within this DXY, before I can go analyze the US dollar pairs. As for giving me what I is, having parents like this without age sometimes, it's very important to find your own place. So yeah, that's how I see the DXY currently. That's how I see the DXY currently. So I'm going to be marking my rectangle. So again, we're line chart mode. It is very important for you to understand, like, guys, I don't want to lie with you guys now. Understanding the DXY is you having a cheat code when it comes to the market. So guys, the 27 Rand, 2000 Rand, the account close series is still going on. It's still going. I'm still busy recording it, So tomorrow, it's a new week. So new vision, new targets, new goals. Tomorrow it's a new week. So you guys see what I'm saying over here. That's how I want you guys to understand the DXY first. So we understand the movement of the DXY when it comes to the weekly time frame. What we need to do now is going into a daily time frame. Guys, I'm the type of guy who makes sure when I analyze thoroughly the DXY. I'm trying to understand the DXY thoroughly. It is very important to have patience when you're analyzing. It is very important to have patience when analyzing. My Wi-Fi is awful, so I don't know what's going on. Okay. It is very important as a trader to understand the DXY peacefully. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be taking my line and place it over here. But I don't think I'm needing this. Reason being, I need this parallel line over here, because this parallel channel is the best. I don't want to lie with you guys now. It is the best. It covers the weeks. It covers the weeks, guys, perfectly, so that you don't have a lot of fake outs. I'm just gonna fix this one over here. It is a kind of, I use it as a kind of protection regarding the fake outs, guys. I use it to avoid fake outs. To understand, you see how it covered that candle that week. That's very important for you to cover those weeks, you know. And again, as I zoom a little bit out in line chart mode, I see inner zones. I'm going to be taking my rectangle and try to find zones. No. And try to find the zones, guys. And another advice I'd like to give to people is that, guys, it is very important to understand why you're trading, why you started trading. You know, it is currently kicking in by me right now. Would say why I've started kicking in, why I've started trading. It is currently kicking in right now. Why I've started, because I've been comfortable for far too long, guys. You know, I've been impatient for far too long, and that's how I ended up not reaching the target goals that I wanted to reach over the past few days. You know, no, I have to understand that the pressure that my parents are feeling, I have to relieve them the pressure. You guys see how easy it is, guys, to understand, like supply and demand, using support and resistance, analyze rectangle lines. It is very important. It is very easy because I definitely know what we're looking for now. Guys, again, please forgive me, man. The Wi-Fi is off and my network is kind of slow. You know, please forgive me. Since this is a far target, guys, since this target is a far target, I'm not going to be aiming this target for now. I'm going to be aiming this one. I'm going to be aiming the nearest targets. This target over here is my TPs. Again, to my line chart mode. Yeah, this one is quite obvious. Those are the first targets and the third target over here. That's how I'm going to be aiming this. Then once the trade is running perfectly, I'm gonna leave one trade open. Then I'm gonna enter more once I see Uguti. This trade is going according to my direction. So since we are done with the DXY, since we're done with the analysis for DXY, we are going to be moving to AUD USD. So with AUD USD, since I've analyzed AUD USD earlier on in the morning, as I'm doing just a continuation, is that let me go first to my weekly time frame and explain this. In my weekly time frame, what I've seen is that we are in a downtrend. Reason being why am I saying we are in a downtrend? If you guys can see here, the market is moving downwards, as you guys can see. So there's no anything broken above this line that I've just drawn over here. So, and again, when I look it in the middle and I switch on to my line chart mode, I can see price rejected multiple times this resistance over here. It rejected it multiple times. Even when I go look in my left over here, price has rejected multiple times and made this resistance a very strong resistance in a weekly time frame, as you guys can see. So I'm going to be going to my daily time frame and explain this further. So in the daily time frame is that, firstly, I thought price was moving in an uptrend. Reason being is that, since we had a fake out, okay, let me just take it here. Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower high, higher high, which is in the resistance. As you guys see, price resisted over here and gave us a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, higher high. These highs are equal. These are equal highs, as you guys can see. These are equal highs on the top, a lower low, lower high. This high is lower than this higher high over here, so it makes this a lower low. Eventually the price decided to break above resistance, and I thought price was going to come and retest this resistance and shoot up, but no, it did not. It continued to stay afloat below over here. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be switching to my line chart mode to make you guys see price broke resistance. Which resistance did price break? It broke this resistance, our parallel triangle line resistance, and it broke our support, which it closed outside the support zone, below the support zone. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame and explain this further for you guys and show you what I mean by this. As you guys can see, we had 1, 2, 3 candlesticks pattern closed. We had 3 candlestick patterns closed above this support zone, which is going to make it a valid resistance, because of why price will break out. It did a breakout, so price was looking for a way to come over here and then retest, come down and retest this level again, then go forward. If we are wrong, price might continue to buys, but for sellers, I'm sure for it. Because of why am I sure with the sellers? I see the market is going with the sellers because it broke 2 resistance zones. The market broke 2 resistance zones. So yeah, that's how we are going to be looking for sellers for AUD USD. Let me go to Euro USD. Then I go to the last pair, which is called USD JPY. Those are only the pairs that I'm going to be focusing on. I don't want to focus on too many pairs. Reason being, I don't want to confuse myself with trades that I'm supposed to take. I'm only going to take the trades that I've prepared for, which are the 3 pairs: the DXY, the AUD USD, the USD JPY, and I might be analyzing gold for you guys as a bonus analysis. So with the Euro USD, I'm gonna go to the bigger time frame, which is the weekly time frame. Oh fuck, this shit is slow, guys. My internet connection is slow. As you guys can see, this is just a bonus. Sanyana, my low of the week that I'm trying to analyze. My high of the week, and of course, like the middle zones nyana, those zones nyana, important nyana. You guys, you heard? So what's the current market condition, guys? I see we had a downtrend, which we broke it out, retested, shot up. We had a downtrend, which is what I see, and we broke it out, retested, went about it, then came back there. So the current market trend is kind of like a bullish consolidation. Why am I saying it is kind of a bullish consolidation? Price is going up over here. Price is going up. Price is going in a bull state, but again moving in a sideways. Moving sideways. That is why I'm saying it is in a bullish consolidation trend. That is why I'm saying it is in a bullish consolidation trend on the weekly time frame. And our weekly candle is bearish, guys. Mind you, this is the most important candlestick that we as traders have to look at it. No. Then let me just go to my daily time frame. Yeah, I'm tired, but we have to work. Again, my line shot mode with that. I'm gonna be taking this. Yes, sir. That's how I marked it. And mark. Price action is the most important strategy. Understanding support and resistance is part of price action. You know, it is part of price action. Understanding those falls under price. Falls under price action, guys. So on the daily time frame, we are going to be focusing over here. You know, where the market might reach. I don't see anything, but I see. The thing is, when price is consolidating, guys, like it is very difficult for people to catch a trade out of it. You know, when price is consolidating, it is very difficult for us, some of the traders, to catch a win out of these trades. So I'm just gonna go to my 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour, I might have something to work with. On the 4 hour time frame, which is this one. Which is this one over here. Which is this one over here. Reason being, this support zone is very important, guys. Support 1, support 2, support 3, aka triple bottom. You heard? Aka triple bottom. Let me do this. Parallel lines to cover the wicks. Okay, I see we had a change of direction when it comes to the Euro USD. The market is currently going for bears. Then I'm gonna go to my line chart mode again. Reason being, why am I going to this line chart mode, guys? Identifying important zones that I need to see within the 4 hour time frame. Yes, sir. Touch 1, touch 2, fake out, touch 3. It's a very resistant zone. Okay, we might be looking for bears. I'm gonna take this. Okay, we have a breakout out of this resistance of this parallel line and out of this support zone, which we are currently turning into a resistance. You know, let me go to my 1 hour. Nah, give me the pepper, give me the 6 gun, give me the aromat I'm about to cook. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. This week we are currently looking for shorts. The only reason that enter Euro USD is if price comes and enter at our 50% level zone. That's the only reason why I'd enter the Euro USD for sales. It's the only reason why. Yes sir, we're done with the Euro USD. Let's go to USD JPY. Then we go to the bonus pair, which is the goal. Then we're done with our analysis. Then guys, next week I promise to give you guys on how to use the Fibonacci, Next week I'm gonna make sure I show you guys on how to use Fibonacci and how to use the 20 EMA moving average, So again, what we're looking for, we're gonna be looking from 2023 to 2024. On our weekly time frame, my low of the week, which we're gonna name low of the week, high of the week, middle, line chart mode first. For accuracies, we are moving with the line chart mode for accuracies, guys. So the trend is an uptrend on the weekly time frame. This is an uptrend on the weekly time frame, but we are looking for what in the weekly time frame? We are looking for the retest. We had a breakout, as you guys can see. So resistance. This whole zone is a resistance. Decided to break resistance, but price didn't come and touch where in the resistance zone. So it turned over here and went above. So currently price is looking to come and turn. Retest this, give us a double bottom, then shoot up. Then shoot up. Then shoot up. That is what price is currently looking for. A proper retest on the weekly time frame. Price is looking for it. I'm sorry for singing, guys. I'm not supposed to be singing. Then let's go to the daily time frame. With the daily time frame, we have a double top. We have a double top for the daily time frame. A double top. I'm going to be using my parallel lines, guys. It is very important for me to use parallel lines to understand more and to see the market clearly on what am I doing and on what am I looking for. Not many people use these lines. Not many people are using the way I'm using price action, because of most of them have shifted to price, to smart money concept and ICTs, all those things. I'm not saying something is wrong with those things, but I'm saying I'm going to be sticking to what I know and improving on learning how to improve the market as the market changes every F day. The market changes. The market doesn't stay the same. The market changes. So yeah, 4-hour. Some people want it all, but I don't. As you guys can see, on the 4-hour, as I said, we had a double top, which is an M formation, down. So currently we're looking for that proper retest for price to touch the 50% zone of ours. Then we enter for sales. Enter that, touch that 50%. Come, retest, down. Yes, sir. Stop loss, just like that. I'm not playing to lose much on the trades, guys. Like literally, that's what I'm looking for. You know, these are short-term sellers, guys. These are short-term sellers. 2 days to 3 days in the max, we might have reached this level. You know. Then let's go to the gold. Welcome to the gold. Let me tell you something, guys, about correlating pairs. Since the DXY is looking for sales, where the gold is looking for bulls. Let's check first to confirm. I don't know. Yeah, where's the DXY? You know, as you guys can see, the DXY, I've analyzed it already. Since we are looking for bears on the DXY, we are looking for bears on the DXY. With gold, we are going to be looking for buying opportunities. Those are correlating pairs. First, weekly time frame, my nigga. I'm coming. Line chart mode. Kind of a triple top that we see. And this, you know, yes, sir. Yes, sir. One, it's important, and this is a fake out. As you guys can see, this is a fake out. This is the resistance, which we broke resistance. Now we're looking for supporting it. Then we go over and buys. Because of why? Price was consolidating over here because it was moving sideways. So it decided to final breakout with a dated time frame candle, and now it is retesting it. Yeah, we are going to be looking for buys in this gold. Well, it takes time to study the markets. I don't want to act like all bulls, act like I know, guys. I'm always going to learn when it comes to the markets. I'm always gonna learn. I'm always the student. The market is my teacher. I'm always gonna learn when it comes to forex markets. It's always gonna learn. Always gonna learn. Always gonna learn. So what I'm looking for, that candle might come, spike below, then decide to shoot up, then we go up, just like that. Yes sir. So we're going to the you see what I was talking about? Do you see the levels that I was talking about? Touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4. This one is very important. That's why we are going to be looking for buys. But I'm going to be targeting on J. Oof. That's why we are going to be looking for buys. Continue with them buys. Continue with them buys. Entry point 50%. Target. This target over here. No, this is my target. Stop loss. Just there. Family. As I said, I keep things simple over here this side. I love to keep my charts simple. I'd love to keep my analysis simple. We all analyze in different ways, different manners. We all analyze in different ways. We all look at the markets in different ways. So yeah, that's from me to you. I'm your boy Anati, and I'm signing out.